Here we are back at Lake Tekapo. Unfortunately, due to weather, our trip helicopter tour of Milford Sound was canceled, so came back a little early. Not a bad place to stop and see some beautiful sights, as you can see. Let me zoom in. Beautiful walking bridge to cross over, and there looks like a really cool older church down here that we're going to get to. Pretty disappointed about not seeing Milford Sound today, but it is what it is. You can only go by the weather, and the tip and trick for that would definitely get to book a couple extra days in Queensland or drive down to Milford Sound so you don't miss it. But we'll take all the good with the bad and go and enjoy this on one of our last days here. Just check out this really beautiful walking path with people standing in the middle of it, because hey, you know, nobody worries about anyone else. But here we go. Take a look down there. Thank you. Pretty beautiful. And we'll come around the corner here in a second and see this church. Looks like a pretty beautiful stone church down here. And let's see it in the distance as we come around. Talk about an amazing place. Look at